What is up, guys? KB's here back with another video. So today, like I said in my last video, which was earlier today, but technically it was yesterday, technically today. I told you I was going to be doing a tutorial, as you can tell by the title and shit. I'm going to be teaching all inward bass. I also stated in my previous video that in the way I'm teaching you, the way you need to, or the way I'm teaching you the inward bass, you need to know the outward bass, which is you need to a little burn. Well, you need to know that to do the inward bass. All right, inward bass is like and sometimes you can like modify it like or it's the different variations, but I'm just teaching you the number one variation. Okay, so basically what I did is, since I know how to do the outward bass, which is basically what you gotta do is, what I did was I did the outward bass, and I breathed in, and I kept going until you heard that. Like, once you heard that, then you know that's the inward bass coming in. So once you know which one is which, well, you should know which one is which, because inward you breathe in, duh, and outward you breathe out, duh, and that's basically the tutorial. Basically, you go and you breathe in, right? You breathe in like, say you're going, breathing in and out, in and out. That's what I want y'all to do. If y'all know the outward bass, I do not know how to teach y'all the outward bass. So once I do, I will post a video on that. Now, outward bass, inward bass, together, not together, but like back to back. It's like. So on the bass it'd be like that. Okay. So now here's a freestyle, but I'm going to be doing a tactical bass, a tongue roll bass, and then a bass, or not bass, a tactical beat, a tongue roll beat, and a bass beat. All right, here's the tactical. Trash. Anyways, the tongue roll, it's like now, these are the freestyles, by the way. Alright. Give me like 2 minutes because I need some water. And once I get water, I'll be back. What's up, guys? I'm back. Got me some water. Alright. So basically, beat bass. Bass beat. I'm going to turn around for this one because, you know, it's bass beat. I've never really showed y'all this, except for the previous video. Just playing, I'm not doing that. No stalling, no stalling. That's not me no more. Here we go. So, inward bass and outward bass is going to be in both of these, alright? Here we go. Also, if y'all want a shout out, comment down or hit me up on my Snapchat. I'll put that down in the description. I really don't like posting my social media anymore. I changed both of them, by the way. So if y'all DM'd me on the other ones, it's irrelevant. So anyways, no stalling. Bass beat. I'll give you one more drink. Hold up. It's the end of the video. Hope y'all enjoyed it. I'm just playing. Anyways, that was cringy. That was really cringy. Sorry about that. Anyways, actual. Yeah, I'm gonna try to do a beat drop with it too. Here we go. Here we go. That's too traditional. That's it. I'm done. I got if y'all did like the video, this time it's for real. I'm done. If y'all did like the video, don't forget, if you liked the video, this is only if you liked the video. If you didn't, thumbs down. I'm just being honest. If you didn't like the video, thumbs down. If you did, thumbs up. Share, obviously, and subscribe if you haven't already. Because on my gaming channel, I haven't been up that much because, well, it's gone. My PS4 is gone. I'm grounded again because I stayed up an hour past my bedtime, or not bedtime, but limit to the PS4. Yeah, I have a limit for the PS4 and I stream. It's pretty dumb, but it's my father. So, anyways, yeah, if you did like the video, don't forget to like, share, and comment and subscribe if you haven't already. But like I was saying about my gaming channel, 85% of my views do not come from subscribed. So let me restate that. 85% of my views come from non-subscribers on my gaming channel. I do not want that to happen to this channel, and I want to improve that channel. I just have to do better content, be better at games, because you know, Fortnite. I'm gonna start posting scammer get scam videos. How about that? This cringy stuff right there. But anyways, yeah, this is the end of the video. Hope you like it. If you didn't, you ain't got no taste. I'm just playing. Peace.